Okay, hello YouTube, Andy with you with another little video. So in my last video I was having some issues regarding the connectivity between my mobile phone and my RC unit. I think I've gotten to the bottom of it. So let's get into the video and let's go find out. So had a few problems with the drone. Turns out problem wasn't with the drone, it was with the cable that connects the RC, the remote control unit, to the phone. I paid a bit of money for this, £15. You can get them a lot cheaper, but I've upped the quality just to try and guarantee a connection, really. Hopefully it'll work. Anyway, so if all goes well, I'll be going out this afternoon with my drone, and we're going to have a bit of a fly around just to make sure it all works properly. This is where it messes, because RC not connected to mobile. That's your problem. Okay, that's a bit disappointing. Oh, I've just wasted £15 on nothing. So you know, something else is going on now. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take it home, get some network connection, and then I'll go through the motions, and it might, fingers crossed, it might do something for me. So it's saying account not logged in, and I can't log in unless I've got internet connection. And of course I haven't got that, so if I do log in, fingers crossed, I might get some joy. Seems like I've got connection, so that's always a good sign. Just going to turn my phone back on again, get it to the app. Right, go fly. Let's see if it connects for me. Pre-flight check.
Perform a safety check before you fly.
Okay, right. RC not connected to mobile again. Okay. That seems to be okay there. Just going to see if it actually takes off. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay.
Please check it on the map.
Well, it seems to be okay. It seems to be alright. Okay. See who's in the allotments. Let's go and buzz someone. It's just a test, just to see if it's working alright, and it looks like I've kind of got my drone back, which I'm very happy about. So it was the lead, it was this lead here. I know it's a lot longer than I actually want it to be, but the other ones are apparently not very good. So yeah, all's good, all's good. This is just a bit of a test flight. I'm happy with it. Let's get her back home, shall we? It's my streets, that's where I am. Okay, and in my back garden there, as you can see. Just zoom in on me. So we have arrived after a lovely drive. It's a really nice drive from home to here. We've arrived at Badbury Hill. Welcome to Badbury Hill. It's a site of an Iron Age hill fort. It is likely that it was built from around 600 BC and occupied until the 1st century AD. The woods are famed for their bluebells and are great for you to explore and enjoy. So yeah, really nice place. This one is quite a large wood. I would say that it's probably bigger than Stanton and also Nightingale, where I was a few videos ago. But yeah, this wood is very varied regarding the species of trees. Some of them are quite indigenous, and there's also a lot of foreign ones as well. There's a lot of ferns around here, tall kind of Scotch piney types of trees, and it's a really lovely place for people to come and get away. There we go. Always good to start the walk off in the right way, isn't it? Hello. Come on then, let's go this way. People see a Rottweiler and then they get all worried. It's a Rottweiler, it's going to kill my dog or something. And the owners of Rottweilers as well. Of course, we're very violent people, and the dog's an absolute killer. Right, okay, let's take this thing off, shall we? We'll wander around and see what the forest looks like. A lot of trees around here actually, so I've got to be a bit careful. We can go straight on up. Just gives you a bit of an idea what this place looks like. There we go. Right. Yeah, so we got a whole variety of different trees here, different colours. Most of the dark greens are going to be, and some of the light greens as well. They're going to be your typical kind of Scandinavian type fir trees. There's a lot of them around here. You can see it's quite a sizable place. It's set on a hill as well, called Badbury Hill, or Badbury Clump, some people call it. But it's a lovely little place. It's a lovely little forest. Not too many people here. However, saying that, on a Sunday it gets really busy. It really does. There we go. So there we go, people. It just gives you a little look at it, and we're going to have a wander around in this lovely little forest, or lovely wood. To be honest, it is quite a size. We don't have massive forests over here, but they are. It's quite large. It'll take you a good half an hour to walk around it. So some of the trees you can spot at Badbury Woods. It's a great place to explore and discover some of the native trees species of the UK. Whether you've come for a peaceful, solitary walk, or either with a group of friends, or want to explore with your family, there's a fantastic array of different trees here. We've got the larch tree. There's the beech, the sycamore, oak tree, Scots pine, silver birch, black pine, and we've also got the wild cherry, just some of the trees up at Badbury Clump. Enjoy a short walk in National Trust woodlands close to Badbury Hill near Coles Hill in Oxfordshire. You will see a large Iron Age hill fort, which in the Dark Ages may have been a key battle site between the ancient Celtic peoples of Britain and the encroaching Anglo-Saxons. Legend has it that King Arthur himself led the Celtic British to victory right here. You will also see an almost forgotten firing range used to prepare Britain's secret resistance fighters during the Second World War. Okay, so all is well. I've got my drone back. All is okay with that. This is just like a bit of a test flight for it. It's come through it very well. So I'm very pleased with that. Looking in the distance, it looks like we have got some rain coming in. There's some clouds above, and it's giving off some rain, and that's around about 1.5 miles away. So I think I'm going to get on my pins now and get out of here, because that looks quite intense, and that's going to get me absolutely soaking wet. So I've got about a 15-20 minute walk back to the car. I don't think I'm going to make it in time. I'm most definitely going to get wet, but I'm going to make tracks now. Right, Covey, we got to go. I thought I'd bring you along to this place because, you know, most of you have never heard of Badbury Hill or Badbury Clump, let alone been here, so I thought I would just take you here just to show you what it's like from ground level and also from bird level, way up there in the sky. Yeah, it gives you a good perspective of what the wood looks like from above. But it's a nice wood. I do like this place, and it's nice and quiet as well. I've not seen any buzzards today. I've not seen any red kites. So I would have liked to have got some of those on camera. But not today, I'm afraid, not today. So, as promised, the rains have arrived. I'm probably going to get a bit wet. If there is some rain on the lens, I do apologise for that. Can't do much about that one, I'm afraid. Right, okay, so it's come to that time in the video now where I basically say thanks for watching, and if you'd like my video, please thumbs up and subscribe. So yeah, it's been an enjoyable time out here. I've enjoyed my time, and yeah, more videos to come of similar areas to this, and just doing, well, just different things really. But I do like getting out here and being in the woods and walking around and flying my drone and having a cup of coffee, eating a biscuit, one thing or another. So if you like what I do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Obviously I'm trying to grow it, but anyway, I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and bye for now.